Welcome all. My name is John Wafula. I'm the Operations and Technical Manager at Hardi Kenya. Today I want to introduce to you our new and economical sprayer, the Agrose sprayer. It's one of the latest sprayers that we have uploaded on the market, and we have it on 400, 600 and 800 liter. This is a very economical sprayer, a very basic sprayer that will cope with the current competition on the market. So now I want to take you through the features of the pump, of the spraying, the Agrose spray unit. First of all, it's got BP 110 pump. We are fitted with this BP 110 pump. This is a diaphragm pump that is fitted. It has got 3 diaphragms. That is now what we use, what we have fitted, and it is what will give everything, will give the power and everything. Then we come to the control unit. It's fitted with a 3 section control unit. It's got a pressure gauge, and it's got also a regulator where you can regulate the pressure. At what pressure do you want to spray? From here now we have the lines that go into the boom. So once you have everything set, it is you now to adjust the pressure and you are good to go. So it is actually fitted with a self-filling device, and this is basically used to fill the tank with water from an external source. So maybe you are drawing water from a pond or a river. You have to fit the pipe on this device, then you can suck water from your external source, whether a river or a pond. Good. Now I want to show you another feature, which is the filtration system. So we have the sprayer fitted with 3 different types of filters. That's to make sure that once your water gets into the system, it is well filtered, and up to the end where it is being discharged out of the nozzle, the water is clean, that we don't have any blockage on the nozzles. So number 1, we have the filter in the tank. That is the filter in the tank. So wherever you are getting your water, you are not so much worried, because you are very sure that once you have this in place, the water will be well filtered. So that is the first filter. So I want to show you the second filter in the system, in the sprayer. This is the second filter, just to make sure that anything that maybe could pass the bigger filter will not pass into this filter. So this is another filter that now will again filter your water. So the third filter is this, which is on the control unit. So the purpose is that it also helps just to filter the water. Any small particle that could have passed the 2 filters will not pass here. So basically I'll show you, it is a small filter, which again, while in use, it has to always to be cleaned. So this is the filter, the third filter on this particular sprayer. So I'll just put it back. So that is the third sprayer. So from this one now we go back. There are 2 inline filters on this sprayer. So again, these are our filters again, just again for the same purpose of making sure that no dirt passes through and goes to the nozzles. So these are the filters, the last filters on the system as the chemical goes through then to the nozzles. We've just come to the nozzles, and again before the chemical is released, it has again to pass through another filter, which is fitted onto the nozzle. Now this is the filter that is fitted onto the nozzle, and that is the last point. As you can see, this is the purpose, the function of this filter is to make sure that no dirt pass through, and this is what is happening now. So this has just proved that there's no dirt that will pass through onto the nozzle, because if it passes through, then it blocks the nozzle and you don't get a good discharge. So this is what the last filter, and that is its function. Now, for you to be able to use the sprayer, you have to link it to the tractor, and normally it is through the PTO of the tractor. So you use a PTO shaft, link it to the tractor and to the sprayer. So that will give, so now that is what will give the motion to the pump, and now you start, it will start pumping the chemical. Good. So I'll show you how to open the boom now as you go to the farm, as you are in the farm. So there is a lock pin here that you'll have to remove. So with that, now you are ready to spray. For one thing you need to remember is that this is a manual boom, so you have to open it manually. So now we are ready to spray. The PTO is on. So basically what you have to do, you have to come to the control, the regulator, because this is what will now give you an okay to proceed. Now we have done everything, and now we are ready to start spraying. So here it is, the control unit is on an off position. So I'll basically put it on and open the sections, both the sections. Now the chemical is not coming out because now we have to increase the pressure. So when we start increasing the pressure, closing up, when you look now, the chemical is now being released. So you can adjust the pressure to a level that you require. Good. So here is the pressure. Now, right now we are spraying at 7 bars. So you can adjust to a pressure that you need, or you can reduce the pressure by adjusting this pressure knob. So you see, when I reduce it, it goes down. So that, depending on the pressure that you want, so you can adjust the knob to that particular pressure.